What's up guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we have a beautiful low taper, so let's get right into it. First, moisten up your canvas and section with ease. You want to make sure both sections on each side are symmetrical. Keep in mind this is extremely important. With your number 4, reduce all excess bulk. Make sure to comb down with the opposite hand. Guys, we do this to get a clear view of what it is we need to cut now. Here I slightly clip over comb to get a nice clean canvas to work on. With your number 2, start reducing all the bulk at the bottom half. And now pass the number 3 to soften any lineup within the 4 and 2. Okay, now we're ready to fade. Softly make your first baseline, basically removing the sideburn. Towards the back, do the same, but make sure you don't set that baseline up too high. And now remove everything underneath. With your lever open, no guard, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Close it up fully and hit that guideline halfway through. Now gradually open up the lever as you go up. With your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And with your lever open, same guard, create another 1/2 inch guideline above that. Using the number 1 open, just flow the clipper and flick out on whatever line you're able to see above that half guard. Next, with the 1.5, go up another 1/2 inch, and don't be scared to close up the lever if you need to. Guys, a little bit of touch-up work is always needed, so make sure to come back and hit those dark areas. Finally, with your lever fully open, no guard, take out that last line you're able to see. Guys, I'd be lying if I told you I'd never make mistakes, so be careful when cutting up someone for the first time and test skin sensitivity. You can clearly see my trimmer was 2-0 gap for his skin. Alright guys, now for the side taper, open up the lever and make a 1/4 inch guideline. With your half guard halfway open, create a 1/4 inch guideline. Since it is a low taper, try small steady strokes. Open up and go up another 1/4 inch. Another quarter with the number 1 open. And flow that 1.5 a half inch above this time. I do tend to use my blending shears to blend everything up towards the parietal ridge. Finally, close up the lever and softly use your corners to get rid of that last bottom baseline. The opposite side is literally the exact same process, so work patiently, and if you happen to forget some steps, don't hesitate to come back into the video. Guys, if you do happen to be wondering where to get these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. As for the taper necklines and C-cups, I do spray a light coat of hairspray to keep everything in place. When working on tapers, lineups just really make the cut look complete, so make sure you get those right. Now for shear work, I basically comb all the top portion of the hair to its natural position, V-section, and cut off what would be dangling off to the sides. My model did want to keep lots of length, so I didn't cut as much as I usually would. Guys, I really suggest you use a diffuser to enhance wavy and curly hair. A little bit of volumizing powder to get everything volumized, and a tad bit of hairspray. Guys, wow, this is the cut, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video for more like these. Anyways, thank you for watching. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.